this XAES on the daily time frame. So we had this break of structure here to the upside, and also this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure also, and since then price has not actually sold back, like, to mitigate all these zones. You get, we are just seeing something like this, like this, like this, like this, and this zone here is an unmitigated order block from the higher time frame. So we have been seeing buys and buys up. We have been seeing buys, like gold has been bullish. We have been seeing buys, no retracement since. So this was the last high on gold. This was the last high on gold. So seeing this break of structure here, price created an inducement to the zone. Many let me check. Price created an inducement to this zone. This on November 19, price created an inducement to this zone, and this zone was formed. This one was formed November 5th, and price created an inducement November 19th. So we have that, and also we had this recent liquidity created here. Recent one. So price created this liquidity. After I've seen that, if you go to the 4 hours time frame, come to the 4 hours time frame, you see price engineered liquidity to the zone. This was the engineered liquidity to the zone here. So this confirmed my bias. So this was the engineered liquidity to the zone. After seeing this engineered liquidity, I was so sure that this zone was going to hold, because anytime I've seen this break here, 1, 2, these two break, and also seeing this theory break to the downside here also, it hardly fails. I actually learned this from Lex. It was someone that even told me Lex has the same daily analysis with me. So I learned this engineer liquidity stuff from Lex Consult. So he deserves his flowers. So that was the trade. So like I shared, I took the trade as usual. Took the trade on 15 minutes time frame. So the first trade I took here was from this zone. So this break of structure, inducement to this zone, and price tapped in. This was a 5 minutes order block. Price tapped in the zone, did over 200 pips and reversed. Triggered my setup and reversed. Then here I used a breaker block entry. As you can see, this is a breaker inducement to this zone. Price tapped in the breaker and moved up. Price tapped in the breaker block here and moved up. Price moved up and sold. Price sold off again. Took me out already and was moving. So I knew it was going to buy, so I had to just, let me increase my stop loss. And same price tapped in this level here already. And one thing, once price stops taking out low, you can see this last low here, price refused to take out this low. So this was the more reason I was so confident on these buys. So market was protecting these lows, or these were protected lows. So I also learned this from Lex. Anytime market has failed to continuously take out low, you should be very careful of what you are doing, especially once it's coming from an higher time frame. So after I saw this, I was happy, so I took my trade from here again. but I closed early. That was yesterday being 25th. So I closed early, saw this re-entry, marked it, and everything. Then today I saw this trade here, this entry. Price tapped in the zone already. Then I just did my thing here, continuation. I also closed this one early, so I will be watching out this level next week for a buy continuation. So these are the trades I took this week. Then this also, and these are the trades that has been taking me out and going my way, as you can see. So these things actually brought my 100k account to around, just 2% left to blow my funded account, but I'm gradually pushing up the account.